Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the Google Play Store certification. So this is a Google provided certification which you need to do and it is free. So if you want to become an app marketer on a Google Play, then you can go ahead with this certification. So let's get started. So to get the certification, first you need to search for developer certification Google. Then the first site will come and you have to open this. Once you go to this site, there are multiple certification, like there is Google developer certification, then the associate Android developer certification, Google Play Store listing certification, and we are interested in this certification. Then again we have others, TensorFlow and other certification which are offered by the Google. And all these certificates are not, I can say, free, but yeah, this one, the Google Play Store listing certificate, is free. For this you have to give an examination of them. So the tutorial and everything are free, and after once you pass through the tutorials, you just have to give one Google certification exam. So let's look into the certification modules. So if I click on learn more, yeah, you can see this is a certification. Now Google Play Store certificate, so this is built for the app growth marketers tech online training. So this is a training which is related to the Google Play Store. So it is for the app marketers. So in this certificate, so if you see, upskill your career as an app marketer. So if you have any mobile app or a game, or you have to market that, then you can go ahead with this certification. So developer looking to find more users, upgrade your skills and improve your app store listing. So this is everything is related to the app store listing, which apps are available on a Google Play. So this training help you grow your audience of that particular Android application. So take a training, pass the exam, and earn the industry recognized certificate. Yeah. So if once you pass the exam of the Google, then you can have a certification of the Google. So if I go to the certificate training resources, it is a resource which are available for the Google. If I open this site, you can check. These are the, yeah, these are the basic modules which are available. So Google Play Store listing certificate study guide. So this guide tells you how you can perform the Google Play Academy certificate. So you can see the get started with the basic. It has a basic to how to create and Google Play Store listing, comply with the policies, and then audience and contents. Then you have to analyze the explore opportunities for the apps, the niche you have selected for the app. You can just go and check how you can improve your app in your category or your niche. Then we have a best practices, like the game icon, the feature or the graphic which you have to select for your app on a Play Store. Then you can see most of the people like or open the app or install the app by looking into the graphics. So that's why it is best practice. So you can just go global with this, so that you can improve your app store optimization, which is nothing but the ASO, which helps people search the app. So whenever you go to Google Play Store and you search for app, and the app which comes at the start, that has a great SEO, we can say. Because once you optimize your store listing of your Android app, then what it will become, it will come up in the search in the Google Play Store. So once everything is done, like you get the certification, and there is the instruction then how you can get the certification. So these are the training sources. Then if you go down, part 2 app and career, yeah, this is the exam. So once you grow and sharpen your skills, then what you can do, you can go with the exam. So you can just go and start the exam, and then you are share the certificate of your Google developer profile at social media. So yeah, once now here is one interesting thing. Whenever you do the certification, there is a Google Play Academy alumni network. So in this network, so right now I don't see any. So this is the alumni. Yeah, okay. So you can see these all peoples are nothing but the Google Play Academy certified peoples. So there is a chance, like if you have a certificate, you can have a freelancing job by this website, or you can just list your certification in here. So this is a advantage of this certificate. And if you want to start check the exam, what you can do, let me go and check the instruction for the exam. So if we go here, what you see, Google Play certificate instruction. So once you're done with your modules, every module is completed, then you can go for the examination. Then what you have to do, you have to register for the exam and follow the on-screen instruction. So this is, it has, you will be asked around 60 to 70 question. Okay, so these 60 to 70 question will be related to your Google Play Store listing, or the Google Play Store, like the Play Store modules which you have completed, and those are all related to that only in this exam. So you have 5 hours to complete the exam. So this is a 5 hour exam, will begin immediately after the launch. Yeah, so this will just launch, and you have to give a 5 hours to complete this examination, which will have a 60 to 70 questions. And once you submit the exam, then you will receive, like, it will just immediately tell you whether you are a pass or not. So this is the best thing. Like, they are providing you the resources to learn everything, and then again they are providing you the exam, how to give an exam, and again they are providing you the certification. So if you go here, and if you take the exam, so you can see, so most of the people will not have this membership of this Google Play Academy. So what you have to do, you have to just register here. So let's say you are registering here. So what you can do, so yeah, you can create a username, password, then enter a basic detail like email address, phone address, email address, your local address, and then city and all everything. And once you register for this site, then you can just have you can just take the examination. So yeah, this is it for the video. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.